Hello, this is Phil, about to head off on holiday. We've got the 06 Toyota Alphard. We've got the kids packed, all the gear packed. We've got the 14-foot stiletto flight craft with a 115 Yamaha on the back. And we're ready to go to Port Stephens on holiday. Yeehaw! It'll be interesting to see how the 4-cylinder Alphard tows the boat, but it's not a really heavy boat. I think it should do a really good job. It's a great rig, very luxurious car, great family car, 7-seater. 14 feet. That's the boss. Look at this beautiful interior. There's a kid packed in there, all the luggage.
Dad, I can't hop in.
You can't hop in? We'll help you hop in. Here we go. But I think you got to wait because Jamie's got to get in before you get in. Or he's got to climb over you.
Not my blanket.
Alright, thanks for watching. If you'd like a Toyota Alphard, give us a call. Our number is 02 9744 0539.